Hey everyone, welcome back. As you saw from the intro, the front end is back together, it's on the ground, it's running, it's driving. And as you can hear, it's a beautiful day in the mid-70s in Iowa. Alright, so I still haven't gotten this thing down to get an alignment done. Some things came up, I never got an appointment made. But I don't need an alignment to replace the heater core, so that is the mission for today. I'm also going to take the opportunity to pull the front seats out because I noticed I had a broken bracket that I need to weld up. And I'm also going to pull out the carpet and clean that because it's probably soaked in mouse excrement and who knows what else. And I don't know what else I'm going to find, but I'm just going to kind of pull out the interior, pull the dash down, hopefully get the heater core replaced, and I bet the mouse surprises are going to be a steady stream of surprises. So a lot of this is probably going to be on time lapse because I'm going to be opening up all the windows and the doors and just kind of letting it air out because it's a nice day and I don't want to smell mouse droppings. So here we go. Yay! Well, that seems like a good place to stop for me. If you want to see what horrors I find inside that heater core box, you're going to have to tune into the next video because the battery's about dead in my camera. I am filthy and exhausted and I cannot smell any more mouse piss for the day. I've had it. I gotta go get cleaned up. You would not believe the smells I have unleashed by pulling out that dashboard today. It is so bad. Let me take you around and show you some of the stuff I've already found. You can just see the piles of mouse excrement that have already been raining down on the carpet. Yeah. So yeah, to anyone who was gonna say, you know, you don't have to pull the dash out, you can just kind of tilt it forward and sneak in there. No, that whole dash is coming out. The back of it isn't too bad. I was expecting it to be messier, but you can definitely see evidence of where the mice were. Just where I set it down on the ground, there were turds falling out. All of these pieces, any of this foam, I'm scraping it all off, and I'm just gonna scrub everything just to get it cleaned up. So yeah, you might look at all this and think, you know, what are you doing? You should have just bought a better blazer. And yeah, maybe I should have. But this is what I do for fun. This is my hobby. Some people go home from work, you know, and can't wait to turn on the TV and play video games or, you know, binge some Netflix show. But this is what I think about coming home and doing all day. This is my fun. You know, I didn't exactly enjoy laying underneath the car every Saturday for a couple of months and rolling around and getting all greasy and replacing the front end. But this stuff, maybe not all the mouse shit and carcasses, but actual, you know, cleaning up and putting this nice clean dash pieces all back together and getting everything all plugged in and hooked up and working great and looking nice. And that's my element. I love that stuff. So I'm actually really looking forward to the next few weeks, getting this all cleaned up and put back together. And I'm going to get the alignment, and it's still going to kind of look like a beater on the outside, but man, it's going to run nice. It's not going to stink inside anymore. Everything's going to work great. And gonna get this hitchhiker out of here. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. I said that I had a broken seat bracket that I was gonna have to weld back up. I don't think the seat bracket's broken. I think they just couldn't get that bolt out at some point. Remember, I got this from a series of teenage rednecks in rural Iowa. I think at some point somebody just couldn't get that bolt out and just cut it off. So I'm gonna actually get the bolt out and weld it back on. This one I think they'd gotten out at some point and then gave up trying to put it back in. I couldn't get it out just because I don't have any good tools out here. I don't have a big set of channel locks or vice grips or Torx wrenches, anything. So I'll bring out a selection of stuff next time. I'll actually get those bolts out. I'll weld that back up. I'll put it back together proper next time. Probably just replace those because that one's all chewed up now. And then I can get the carpet out. I can get it properly clean because I'm sure it's just soaked with God knows what dripping down. Oh look, I have a mouse turd stuck on my arm. Yeah, I'm gonna go shower. That's going to wrap it up for this week. We will see you in the next episode where I open that up and pull out the mouse house of horrors. Thanks for watching.